Yeah, right. I just put my suspension up on Gembrook-launching place road. Put my suspension up and tried to accelerate with no gear, but I'll fix that. Gembrook-launching place road. And here we go. Behind Nick the tick. The tick. I don't know. I can't find anything that rhymes with Nick that won't be rude or demeaning, you know? Someone help me out here. Nick the what? Let's see. No, I can't use that. Big C. Sick. Click. No, can't use D. Ick. F. Flick. Nick the flick. Nah, the flick. Well, maybe the flick because he's always flicking around. Nick the flick. Gick. No. Hick. No. Ick. Jick. Jike. Jick. No, you can't use J. J-K. Kick. L. Lick. No, not lick. Mick. Nick. Ick. Pick. Prick. No, oops. No, you can't do that one. Quick. Nick the quick. Yeah. Because he's always fanging it. And when you least expect it, he's overtaken. Yeah, Nick the quick. I think I found it. Let's check the other ones. OPQ. Rick. No. Sick. No. Tick. Yeah, we know that didn't make sense. TU. Wick. Rick. No. Nick the Vic. No. PW. Wick. Nah, it doesn't make sense. Some people don't understand what Wick means. Wick. WX. Zick. No. Yick. Zick. Nah. Alright, it's Q. Nick the Quick. There you go. Settled. Any votes on that? Leave some comments, let me know. But I reckon quick. I reckon it's settled. Unless there's any objection to that in your comments, I think I'm sticking to that. Nick the Quick. So I'm trailing Nick the Quick on Milner's Road, next to Little Yarra Road. Milner's. Isn't there a beer? Something called Milner's? Sure. Oh, there's that lovely house. Hey, this is ringing a bell. Oh, this is where it gets good. I remember this. It gets really nice now. And I'm behind Nick the Quick. Put my camera straight. Bloody camera. I don't know if it's... Should have aligned it before. Anyway, too late. Behind Nick the Quick. And I don't know who's in front of Nick the Quick. And you know who I noticed isn't here today? Hairy Berry K. Hairy Berry K's not here. He's only here occasionally, Hairy Berry K. I wonder where Hairy Berry K is today. Hey? Hairy Berry K. Alright, let's follow Nick the Quick. And see who else is around our little group here on Milner's Road. Alright, Nick the Quick is gonna. No, he's not. Oh, he's not. Okay. No, not yet. This is like a family zone now. Oh, no, he's going. He's stuffed the family zone. Oh, now. What's that? Oh, there's that fucking red bike again. Shit. I mean, there's a triple of them now. Fuck. I've passed 3 of them now. I don't know if they're different bikes or it's just the same one duplicated. I don't know, well, if it is, I don't know how he keeps getting past me. But I swear that's the 3rd time I've overtaken that F700, I think it is. Red one. Sneaks its way through. I reckon it's because it's brown. Camouflages with the scenery. and he sneaks his way through. There's Nick the Quick. Nick the Quick. Off you go, Nick. Nick the Quick. Oh, there's another brown F700. There's a classic blue. That's a good one, that one. Classic blue Beamer. It even sounds classic when you listen to it. Freaking classic. Now we're turning into... We're in Upper Yarra and we're turning into Riversdale Road. Oh, look at that big mountain there, eh? Be nice to live around here, going trekking up there, eh? Trekking up into those hills. Oh, great scenery. I like this. Upper Yarra. Pretty. Nice high mountain top. Looks like a good place to get lost up there in those hills. I'll tell ya, Victoria's got so much. Have I told you that? We've got like so much. We've got heaps. We've got Europe, we've got Germany, we've got Swiss here, we've even got parts of Russia here. We don't have India here, we don't have a sea of people, no India. Not that much of Asia, no seas of people. Thank goodness, God. We will one day though. Maybe. Anyway, we're into Highway Warburton. Alright, Nick Quick, let's go Nick Quick. No quick. Okay. Fair enough. Take it easy. It's like a garden show or something here. Lotus season. Oh, lotus. People growing lotuses. Do you like my lotus? I've grown it. Yes, all by myself. Yes, I peed on it daily. That's why it flowers so nicely. Yes, yes. Just make sure you don't pee on the leaves. Just pee on the roots. Pee on the roots. I made a joke. Get it? Pee on the roots. Like kitchen. Warburton Highway. Gee, it's pretty plain around here. Alright, that's enough for Nick the Quick video. I think we've seen enough of him. We'll bring you back when it's windy, eh? At least we work out his name now, Nick the Quick.